Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to do a wee quick chat on the brake lathes. We've obviously got this one from a company called ProCut. ProCut brake lathes, really good machines like it. This particular one we've had now probably 15 years or so. It's getting a bit worn out. Starting to take a wee bit longer to do the job than it should like so we've been toying with the idea of just retiring the machine and actually stopping the process, offering this particular service, the brake skimming service, for some time now. However, the price that brake discs are getting now, it's becoming more and more demand for this type of work. People are wanting their brakes skimmed up, getting an extra couple of years out of the brake disc rather than renewing them. Average price sort of £50 to skim a disc, whereas a new disc now in excess of £100 for a lot of them like it. So it makes sense to keep the service going. However, we were getting that this machine just wasn't cutting it anymore like it. Just getting a bit long in the tooth like myself. So we had a bit of discussion. Long story short, we contacted ProCut in the USA because the guys that used to sell these in the UK were no longer available, and they put me in touch with chap Alan Hopkins from brakelathes.co.uk, who is apparently now their main representative in the UK. Really nice chap. Got chatting and stuff and decided to upgrade, and here she is, the new ProCut X9. Absolutely stunning piece of kit. Quite a few differences from the old one. I'll give you a wee run through for them that might be interested in getting one of these. So one of the quick differences that you notice straight away, we've now got a digital display here rather than the old one didn't have the digital, just had the LED lights and that was it like so lets you know what's going on a bit more. You get to see what's happening, a bit more obvious what's going on like with the lathe. Second one, and for me the most important, is the trolley. On this one, as you can see now, totally redesigned, 4-wheel, straighter, flatter, more thingy. Unlike this old one, was an absolute misery. As you can see, it's got 3 wheels and it spins in a circle. And you're dragging this along the ground, tiny wee bit of dirt, screw, anything underneath one of the wheels, and it spins round and whacks you in the shin. Fantastic design, not. So that for me is one of the most important ones. However, for the customer, the more important one, the actual layout of the machine has changed, a lot more slimline. A lot more space in here compared to, if you look at the old one, a lot bulkier. We've actually even ground a couple of bits off here to get the disc in like but totally redesigned this bit, and that now allows us to get somewhere in the region of 415, 420mm diameter discs, whereas the old one, even with my modifications, we could do sort of 375 or so like So this one now allows us much better discs, much better variety like a lot of the M Sport and the RSs and stuff like that have got huge big discs on them, and the old machine they just didn't fit, simple as that. The cutting head also been redesigned a bit more user friendly with these quick release ones, rather than the old one had the nuts and bolts, if you want to call it that. Just a lot tidier machine. As I say, that trolley's the game changer for me like but so as you probably guessed, we're now fully committed to the brake skimming again. I'm going to do a few videos again just showing the new one in action like just to get the advertisement out there if nothing else but anybody that's interested in these kind of things, I'll put a wee link in the description. As I say, the company's called brakelathes.co.uk. Chap that runs it's Alan Hopkins, really good guy, good to talk to, really knows his stuff. They stock all the spares for these machines in the UK. Just to give you an idea, We ordered this Friday last week, and 4 working days it was in our workshop ready to go, like so quick turnaround, good delivery. They even come up and unbox it for you, build it all up, make sure everything works perfectly, and obviously if you need the training how to work it, they'll do all that while they're there. So fantastic company to work for, to deal with, and there you have it. So as always, like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll get some videos on the go with the new lathe. Just sprucing up some discs. As I say, anybody that's interested, definitely worth a punt with these things. Like they're fantastic machines, make your life a lot easier than you can imagine. Like so. Anyway, take it easy, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers for now.